Yes, I understand that Shinto has been in Japan for a long time, but what about in the United States? So, is this becoming more popular, or just still underground, or what's going on?
So now, of course, as far Hawaii has many shrines. I think in the United States there was probably a great deal of Shinto activity prior to the Pacific War, prior to World War II. And then all mainland kind of Shinto activity ceased, and Nikkei, Japanese American culture, Nikkei culture was largely formed by the internment experience, and so Shinto was kind of pushed away during the internment experience. Hawaii has 4 or 5 or 6 working shrines, and that have a really distinct, unique vibrational flavor, quite distinct, I think, from shrine flavor in Japan. In 1986, Tsubaki America was formed as a U.S. corporation and U.S. NPO. And although it was really set up by Tsubaki Okamiyashiro in Japan, and it existed in Stockton, California. Then in 1992, I built this shrine independently to enshrine the same Kami-sama. But when I built this shrine, it was essentially a shrine for Gyo, a shrine for esoteric Shinto practice of Shinto meditation and Shinto purification practices and things of that nature. And also Buddha practiced as a Gyo, as a Shugyo. Then in 1997, we started to become quite popular as a Shinto shrine. And people started to discover us. In Nihonjin, Japanese people living in Washington State and in Canada on the West Coast, and kind of discovered us, and we started to become quite busy. And then in 2001, for a variety of reasons, we closed the Stockton Shrine, and we closed the Stockton Shrine and began to operate as Tsubaki America, Tsubaki Grand Shrine of America. So we've been operating since then, and we're getting more and more busy. Interestingly enough, there are also a couple of other Shinto priests now in North America. They don't have shrines, but they are active.
Wonderful. So
and our shrine, interestingly enough, has become quite busy. At New Year's time, many thousands of people come, many thousands. It's really quite something. And on a weekend, a day, we have a number of kigansai. We are the Gokito Jinja, so we conduct a number of Gokito, but also Shato Senpaisha, people who come to the shrine without appointments just to worship on their own. Many, many, many come.